tears in my eyes. I'm saying this in front of these cameras. I want it to be on record. I have seen things happening in my Nrm party, and they have made me cry. In this world, there's nothing I treasure like my family. I know what happens with the politics. I thank every leader here who has come up with this meeting. Mr. Chair, sir,
Excuse me.
they always say, Madam Chair, it is really very hard to see a man's tear flowing. For the interest of the party, when you people in your hearts have decided, when you are the God of all God, I love my president. I love my party. I've opened up offices for Nrm. I've always had that ground for the people. And I would love to thank the few who have said Mutumba is the best candidate. And I want to be categorically clear. I'm going to support Nrm. This spirit, I'm leaving this out. I want you people to feel the pain. Most especially the leaders of Kawebi. I want you to feel the pain. You people, you are not human. How would you love these young people to join Nrm? And I want to do this with nothing attached to me. With all the words they are saying on Mutumba, I'm focused to serve Nrm. Not because you have chosen the wrong person. Not because you have chosen the right person. Not because I'm the best candidate. But I take this to the national chairman. If you want to leave the legacy of Nrm and doesn't want to end on any of you, please let the procedures be followed well. I will rally behind any candidate that Nrm is going to do. I'm not taking any single point from any candidate. I'm not taking this because of anything. I want to thank those who have guided me. I want to thank everyone here and for the party. I pray that God make us have more years to see that the generation President Musveni started in the bush, that we also leave that legacy for the party. For God and my country, and I love everyone so much.
I don't think you will open a discussion. I want the candidates.
Thank you so much.